Hi and welcome to my channel and my new video. And this time on how to set the time and date and other features, I have the Gshock GST 500. Just to make clear, you can make all of these settings and of the features and functions of this watch by using the watch's integrated Bluetooth module. So you connect your phone with your watch, but this time I'm going to show you how to do those manually. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button until you hear the beep. And now we are in the first row of settings, and that is setting our time zone. As you can see, this is Tokyo flashing over here, which is our currently set home city. I can shuffle that home city by pressing search or light button. And I'm gonna set my home city to Paris, because the Paris corresponds to my time zone. And as you can see, it says Paris over here. I'm gonna zoom in because of this negative display, so you have a better look at what I'm doing. Once we have set our home city, I'm gonna press the mode button and we enter the summertime setting or the DST setting. By pressing the search button, I'm shuffling between DST on, off or auto. I'm gonna leave it at auto, which means that the watch will automatically shuffle between DST on or off. Once we're done, we press the mode button and we are in the position of setting the seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value simply by pressing the search button and it will reset to 0. Once you're done with that, press the mode button once again, and now we are in the position of setting our value. And as you can see, number 6 is flashing, but I can shuffle it up or down by pressing the light or search button. And as you can see, I'm shuffling, and I'm gonna leave it at 6 o'clock because it is 6 p.m. Next up, press the mode button once again, and you are in the position of setting your minutes value. As you can see, it says 6:27, and it is correct, but you can shuffle it by pressing the light button or search button. Next up, press the mode button, and I'm gonna move on to setting the year value. As you can see, it is correct. It's set to 2022, but you can increase or decrease that value by pressing the light or search button again. Next up, press the mode button and we are in the position of setting our day value. Currently it is flashing number 8, which means that we are in the month of August, and it is correct, but you can shuffle it up or down by pressing the search or light button. Next up, press the mode button and you are in the position of setting your day value. Today it is August the 10th, and as you can see, it is flashing number 10, but I can increase or decrease that value simply by pressing the light or search button. Next up, press the mode button and we are in the position of setting our 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. So by pressing the search button, you can shuffle between 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour timekeeping. Press the mode button once again, and now you are in the date display format setting. As you can see, it's flashing month, day, but when I press the search, it will move on to the day, month. So it's basically a time format for you to set for yourself. Next up, press the mode button once again, and you have your day of the week language. It is currently set to English, but pressing the search button, I can shuffle between all of these languages, as you can see. Now press the mode button to implement those settings, and we are in the operation tone. Is it enabled or disabled? When it says key, it means that the tone is enabled, and when I press the search button, it will shuffle to mute, which means that the tones are muted. So pressing the search button shuffles between mute and the key, which means on or off. I'm gonna leave it at on, and that is turned on when the key is written on this subdial. Next, press of the mode button. I'm in the illumination duration setting. When it's flashing LT1, it means that the duration of the light when I press the light button will be 1.5 seconds. when I press the search button, it will shuffle to LT3, which indicates that when I press the light button, the light on the watch face or the watch dial will stay on for 3 seconds. I'm gonna leave it at LT1. Once you're done with that, press the mode button once again, and we are in the position of setting our auto time adjustment. Now this setting is done using the phone, so you have to connect your watch to your phone to fine-tune this setting. Next, press of the mode button. It is the power saving mode. So when it says power saving on, it means that it's off. It means that it's on, but when I shuffle using the search button, when it says off, it's off. So basically you can shuffle power saving on or off by pressing the search button. Once you're done, press the mode button again, and we are back at the beginning and setting our home city. To implement those settings, simply press the adjust button and the watch will implement those just set time parameters and the watch parameters. And that would be all. Thank you very much for watching. This was a Gshock GST B500. Until next time, see you.